What's up, you guys? Welcome to my YXZ Smart Collagen review video. So YXZ Smart Collagen is a potent collagen cream. You can apply this morning and night to your skin, and it's a very thick, lightly scented cream, and it blends into the skin nicely, so it won't really leave that like white cast all over your skin, and it's going to hydrate your skin throughout the winter, spring, summer months, and it has great natural ingredients in it. Some of the ingredients include rose water, peg 20. It has a range of lots of vitamins, nutrients, and it's made in the UK. So you apply this morning and night. It's a 60 ml bottle, 2.11 fluid ounce, and it also has a 60-day money back guarantee. So if you don't like this, you can send it back and buy this at a discount and then try it out. I do really like this. It's good for applying it to your skin at night, especially when your skin's very dry. This is a thicker consistency cream, and I find it just sinks into my skin while giving me a lot of hydration. It feels nice on my skin, and then it's also great to use for prepping your makeup as like a primer as well as a hydration cream, because this has a lot of collagen in it, and it helps reduce fine lines, wrinkles, helps your skin look very youthful and like healthy looking, because it has a lot of vitamins in this. So I do recommend it. I always love buying high quality creams, because especially if you are, say, maturing in your skin, you want to use high quality creams. So I use quite a few creams like this, and this has been my favorite. It's just super lightweight, has no scent, so it's great for people who are sensitive to scents, and you can just apply this morning and night to your skin, and it's going to provide that great hydration while also reducing fine lines and wrinkles. So I'm going to link it down below. You can try it out for 60 days. There's a free money back guarantee, so if you don't like it, you can return it, and you can buy it at a discount, which is awesome. So I'll link it down below and you can check it out.